Hi, I'm Ipshita. Welcome back to my channel. Those who are new, welcome, and please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss a video I upload. In this video, I am going to do a French polygel nail with some vintage design. For that, I have applied the nail tips and rubbed the middle finger to do it under camera. Now you have to remove the shine with the buffing block or a E5 and then apply the dehydrator and primer to prep your nails. You can glue your nail tips, but here I am applying a base coat to glue my nail tips. I am applying a thin layer of base coat and then holding the nail tip where it is required. I am holding it under the LED lamp for giving it a flash cure and then cure it for 60 seconds complete. Then I am trimming the nails and now I am applying the acrylic. You have seen such a small bead I have taken, but one thing you have to remember that you don't remove the sticky layer of the base coat as it gives more addition to the nail. Now you can directly apply the polygel, but why I am applying the acrylic base over here? Because one, if I file the polygel, now the polygel is very soft, I may by chance file off my nail tip. See how thin I am applying it. And secondly, which is very important, when a client comes back to refill or change the design, you don't have to file it till the nail bed. You only till the acrylic you can file and give it a next design. I won't be filing my nails after applying the acrylic. I will only do it at the end of the full design is completed. Now I will give some time for the acrylic to set down. Then I will move to polygel. I am taking two polygels, one is pink and one is white. Both I got from AliExpress. Now I will be using the white first on my thumbnail. I am using alcohol to manipulate my polygel. As you know, it's sticky, so you have to saturate your brush with some alcohol or sip solution. Now see, we have to pat it and drag it down to the desired place. This is easier when we do it with two ball method, that I will be showing you in another nail in this video only, that how easily the polygel gets placed on your nail why if you use two ball methods. But if a single ball method, it's really time taking, for me at least. This polygel is taking a lot of a hell of time to get it on its place, but after it gets on its place, I will cure it for 30 seconds. This polygel is pretty soft and is getting easily manipulated. There are many polygels which are very hard and it takes a lot of pressure to place it, pat it and place it on place. Now this polygel is little soft. I am applying another bead at the cuticle region after curing it for 30 seconds and giving it a good apex and making it more fuller. Now after this I will cure it for 60 seconds. Now I am taking the pink polygel and will take a little amount and apply it on my index finger. Now I am going to give it a color block design. So I am applying it around my cuticle and till the free edge of my nail bed, not my nail tip. So till there I will apply it and will give it a cure of 30 seconds. Another bead I have taken and applying it on my middle finger. Here I will do a extended nail bed and give it a sharp pointy edge of the pink color. If it is difficult for you to give the sharp pointed edge of the pink color, sharp pointed nail bed of the pink color, then no, there is no issue. You can always file it off and give the proper shape that you need. Here I am applying it in a proper way and giving it a proper shape, rather a pointed shape. That is because I don't want to file too much, so that my filing is less. For that I am doing this, and will cure it after I get the desired. When I am happy with the shape, I will cure it for 30 seconds. Same thing I am doing with my pinky also, and I will give it a desired shape. When I am happy with the shape, I will cure it for 30 seconds. Now here I am curing everything for 30 seconds initially, but after I complete the full design of all my fingers, I will cure it for complete 60 seconds and then go to filing. Back to white, I am doing here 2-ball method. Now see how fast it gets completed. I don't have to pat so much, neither do I have to drag so much. The polygel gets manipulated very fast. Before putting the second bead, I will cure it for 30 seconds and then we'll go for the second ball method. Now I am applying the second ball at the cuticle region. This will help me to build my apex also. Sorry. This will help me to build my apex also, and together with that the nail will be completed within seconds and will cure it for 60 seconds. Now I am removing the sticky layer of the nails and taking the cuticle bit, I am sharpening the edges of the nail bed that I have done, the block design that I have done. After crisping the side walls of my nails, I will apply the white polygel to give it the French design. Another thing I want to include, that whenever you are filing in between your nail designs, then always clean your nails after filing with either alcohol or a swipe. Otherwise, the dust will remain and the design won't come properly. The gains will be there. Now I am taking the white polygel and applying it around the nail bed. I will do it on the middle finger, the pinky finger and on the index finger, and will cure it. I will cure it in between for 30 seconds, and after completing all the nails, I will cure it for full 60 seconds. Then we'll go to filing. One most important thing that I missed out is that polygel is very costly, whereas clear acrylic and clear builder gel are not as costly as polygel. So, giving a base of clear acrylic and clear builder gel will save you from using more polygel to your design. Now, for creating the apex and creating the strength of the nail is all depends upon the base which you give. So, if you give a good base with clear acrylic or clear builder gel, then you needn't have to use so much polygel for your design rather. Now see, I have used such less amount of polygel, and yes, you can save your coins for further investing on polygels, and for further using of polygels, your polygel will last for a longer time. That is what I wanted to share. Don't bother about overlapping your design with the white polygel, because that will go off while you are filing your nails. It is a thin layer, so the design will be revealed after you file your nails off. Though I'll be filing the nails, filing and buffing the nails off camera, but still I will show you only one nail, like the index finger nail, that how while filing the design gets revealed. But all the other nails I'll do it off camera. Now my nails are cured. I am going to remove the sticky layer with some alcohol and will take this cuticle bit, it's a finer one, and will file it. File the index fingernail. See how the design is getting revealed. So in that way I will file all the nails. Don't use coarse drill or coarse hand file to file your polygel nails, otherwise the whole polygel will come off. Now I am taking some foils and placing it on my nails to see which design is suiting well on which nail, and I am going to cut those portions, because while applying the foil over the nail it creases at times, because foil is straight and nail is little rounded off. So I always cut the portions which are required and then apply it with you can apply it with a foil glue or a nail foil gel, and if you apply with a nail foil gel you have to cure it for 60 seconds completely and then apply it smoothly on your nail and see how the design will come. And if you want to use nail foil glue, then you have to wait till the layer gets dried up, then you have to put the transfer foil. Now see how the design will come out. Not a single piece got tampered. In the same way I will do the ring finger also. This silicone stick is really a master in this foil placement on your nails. It always removes the creases which we couldn't remove with our nail or with our fingers. This silicone stick always helps in doing it. So it's a must have. Now it's bling time. I am applying Yoyogi's hard gel on that portion of the nail where I want to put the rhinestone, and I am not curing it. Over that I am applying the top coat, and then after placing the rhinestone at the proper place where I want to put the rhinestone, then only I am giving it a flash cure. Now in this same way you have to do those nails where you want to put the rhinestone and cure it for 5 seconds or 10 seconds in between, and then after applying after you are complete with the application of the rhinestone, then cure it for complete 60 seconds. This is a DIY of bling gel. So if you have bling gel, then you can skip this portion and directly apply the bling with the bling gels. It's better to use the top coat before applying the bling, because in those portions where the brush could not reach, those portions will remain without top coat. Now I am applying the top coat to all my nails and will cure it for 60 seconds. Now all my nails got cured and I am applying cuticle oil. So while applying it, let's take the reveal shots. So if you like my nails, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Link is there in the description. And thank you for watching it. Till the next video, have a great time. Goodbye and be safe.